Hey! It's me, Joe Pierce. Welcome back. How's it going? I have not been in my shop in a long time. It's been a mess. I haven't been working on anything. I've been doing other stuff. I've been going out camping, fishing, starting another YouTube channel that makes 3 now. But, hey, my other channel is an outdoors channel where I've been doing a lot of fishing and stuff. So that's what I've been spending my time doing. I can't be in the shop all the time, right? I get bored. I run out of stuff to do. But anyway, I'm back in the shop, and today we're going to do a project that is actually helping out with the fishing. Gonna make a hobo reel. A hobo reel is a thing that you use for fishing that is like handheld, and I'm gonna make it on the lathe. I haven't turned my lathe on in forever. Let's do that. Alright. So, as is the case with most of my projects, I've done little to no research. We're gonna just kind of make one, right? But I've seen some pictures, and what they kind of look like is they kind of look like one of these, right? This is a mallet. This mallet was made by Grant Berger, right? But basically, it's a handle, and this top part, instead of being a mallet to hit things with, is a spool that holds fishing line. So I'm gonna make it just like a mallet, but I'm gonna make this part a spool. And then I'm going to hollow out the end and hollow out the handle so I can put stuff in there. What I'm going to use is this piece of economy wood from Klingspors. What kind of wood is it? I don't know. We'll find out though. Maybe. Or it'll just remain a mystery for all time. Mysteries can be fun. So the first thing I'm going to do is find the center. Then we're going to chuck it up on the lathe if it's long enough. And since I have not so much as turned this lathe on in months, I'm going to check where the belt is on the back. There's, to make sure that I don't have it on like super high speed the first time I turn it on, because that'd make a mess, most likely. But it's not, it's on medium. Like, there's 5 speeds. It's on the middle of the 5. You get it. You know what I'm saying. Baby's spinning. I'm a little nervous because I haven't done this in a while, but can't be that hard. It's like riding a bike, I'm sure. I'm sure everything's tight. Everything's tight. So it's looking really pretty, except there's a big crack and this big giant hole. And it's kind of rotten inside. The fact that I can do that means this is probably not going to work out for what we want it to be. So I have replaced that piece of wood with a piece of cherry that I know is solid. And now through the magic of editing, I'm going to make this round almost instantly. So there we have it, a round piece of wood. There, a well-lit round piece of wood. There's a little bit right there, but who cares, right? Okay, so this hand reel, or hobo reel, we want the handle part to be I got dust in my throat. We want the handle part to be, hand-sized, right? So I'm just going to put my hand here I'm gonna kind of, all right, that's how big we want the handle, right? So the handle is gonna come along, you know, it's gonna kind of have a nice shape to it, and then we're gonna hollow out the inside, all right? And then this part is gonna be the spool. And we want the spool to have kind of a lid, so to speak. So I'm gonna part it off right here and make a lid out of this. Perhaps. I'm gonna try to anyway. So that means that like from here to here is where it's actually gonna be spooly. Right? Does that make sense? Probably not, but it doesn't matter. We're gonna rough it out, and then it'll make more sense once it's roughed out and kind of that shape. It's not pretty anymore because I fucked it up. Don't do that at home. You'll rip your fingers off, I'm guaranteeing it. So hey, here we go. Alright, so look, here we have it. So I've got a little piece of black elastic stretched around here just to hold the string down so it doesn't unravel. So now what we can do is we can pop the top off and fill it with stuff for fishing. And I went and grabbed some hooks and some sinkers and some bobbers. That's really all you need. There we go. A little fishing package there. Now there's only one thing left to do. Let's go fishing. As you may or may not be able to see, it's raining. But you know what? I'm going fishing anyway. Okay, so we take our line and we just tie a hook and put a sinker on. That's the first step. Alright, take your hook, put your bait on it, which would be better if it was a worm. And then you hold this end, and you sling it out with this end, and it should come off just like a reel. Alright, so now from my point of view, we unravel some, have us a little bit hanging off where you can use the weight of the sinker, and you just throw it. And see, it just unwinds just like a fishing rod. This trout bait. Okay, well, the fishing was a fail, but the project was a win. And now I'm going to try and climb out of here. Hey, before you go, why don't we do a giveaway? I tell you what, do this. Go to the link in the description to my other page, my other channel that I just started, the Joe Pierce Outdoors. Find the Hobo reel video, right, where it shows me using this Hobo reel. Subscribe to the channel, leave a comment. As soon as I hit 100 subscribers, I'll give away a Hobo reel, just like the one from the video, except nicer, because the one that I made in this one was, had some flaws. I was just in a hurry to get it done. So I'll make another one that's pretty, and I'll send it to you if you win. So go to the other page, subscribe, leave a comment on the Hobo reel video, on that video, so I know who all came there from here. Get it? Leave some kind of comment. Whatever, I don't know what it says. But yeah, leave a comment, right? And yeah, when I hit 100 subscribers, I'll give one away. Giveaway! So go do it now. Thanks for watching.